Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, we worked on delete functionality of to-dos. In today's video, we will work on edit to-dos functionality, and we will use same input text area to update the selected to-do, to save the UI space and to use less code. Let's get started now. We will create a state here which be Boolean to show and hide our add to-do to update to-do later. We will also make a new state here. This state will handle the index value and check the index 2 while updating the selected to-do. Below the delete to-do method, we will create another method called handle edit to-do. This method will also have the parameter as index, which we'll use to set values in our text area field. Below, we will show another button by make the show edit as true and hide add to-do button. Lastly, we'll set the edit index and the current index. Alright, now scroll down a bit. Make an event listener and pass the method as we did above in delete button. Great. Now scroll above where we have add to do button, add a curly brackets here. If we have shown edit value true, then we will show update to do, else we will show add to do. Now let's change the method name to handle update to do, which we will make in a moment. Below the edit to do method, make the handle update to do method. This method will check if we got the value and edit index not equal to null. We will map all to-dos and map the to-dos and match the index which we set when user clicked on edit to-do in a table. After that, we will update that to-do text value with user entered value. Now lastly, we will set the new to-dos value in our to-dos state. Also make our input field as an empty, and we will make the show edit as false to show add to-do button, also the edit index also null, so we will not get any conflicts. Now change the update to do button to some darker blue too. Alright, everything is done now. Let's check the changes in the browser now. As I'm in the browser, let's add some to-dos. Let's change list to do value, click on edit button. As you can see, we have the value in input field, also the button changed to update to do. Let's change the value to listing. Click on update to do button. As you can see, the value is changed now. Great, we have completed our to-do app using React and Next.js framework. In the next video, we make improvement in the UI. That's it for now. If you like my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Happy coding!